If you want to enhance your Facebook security by removing old devices from your account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains safe. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Start by opening your web browser or the Facebook app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your Facebook account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen on desktop and tap the 3 horizontal lines on mobile. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Access Security and Login. In the left sidebar on desktop or scroll down on mobile to find the Security and Login section. Click on it to view your security settings. Step 4. Review your devices. Look for the section labeled Where you're logged in. Here, you will see a list of devices currently logged into your Facebook account. Review this list carefully. Step 5. Log out of old devices. Identify any devices you no longer use or recognize. Click on the 3 dots next to the device name and select Log Out. This will remove access from that device. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Facebook account, helping to keep your information secure. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to maintain your online safety.